Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I am standing in Gomgod Sharif Masjid, our central masjid of Birmingham, and this is an old picture of Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa that has been hanging on the walls of the masjid for many years. Many people are under the false impression thinking that the Dome of the Rock is not Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa, and they say Al-Qibali, which is this masjid here at the front, which was constructed initially by Sayyidina Umar radiallahu anh, is only Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. This is incorrect. The entire complex is Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. So when Sayyidina Umar radiallahu anhu conquered Jerusalem and entered Jerusalem with peace terms, he uncovered the rock which was lying here. This rock was the Qibla of the former all the Anbiya alayhimus salatu was salam. And then later, Abdul Malik bin Marwan had this masjid constructed on the site of the rock. And Sayyidina Umar radiallahu anh designated this area as for worship, but he could have chosen any part of the complex as a masjid, because the entire complex is Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. This is very important to understand. Some people think Al-Qibali is only Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. Some people think Qubbatul Sakhra, Dome of the Rock, is only Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa. This is incorrect. The entire complex is Al-Masjid Al-Aqsa.